Alright, so hello again. Currently, you are seeing a miner that is running in my laptop in the software known as Gupaxx or whatever you like to pronounce it. And the version is 1.12. This is the integrated software, and this version is specifically the stable version, not the latest. For secure, it will more likely not crash, and it is integrated software that we can use to mine Monero. That is a cryptocurrency specifically designed to maintain your privacy, because in Bitcoin you can easily see who sent money to whom and how much amount, and all the transactions are public on Bitcoin. But Monero gives you a different point of view. It basically maintains your privacy by hiding all these details, and these are the hash rates that I am currently getting. And before proceeding, I would like to tell you that mining in 2026, that is the upcoming year, is currently not profitable. It is only profitable in two cases. The first one is either you have free hardware, or the second one is either you have free electricity, and third one is you have both. This is the case, only case when Monero mining is profitable. So you can see it has been almost 52 minutes since I started this mining application, and once I start finding the shares, I will see my total payouts here only. I have linked my wallet address in P2Pool, and here you can see this is my address that I have added here, and this is the server section here. Here you can see all these are new jobs that I am getting from the network in order to solve all the algorithms that I'm getting. And I can here adjust the number of threads that are being currently used to mine Monero. So I can reduce it. Here you can see I can even set it to maximize. It will not crash, but lag a little. And these are my system specs that you can see here. I have i7 13th generation, and this setup I am running in VM in order to protect my main PC. If you want to do the similar setup, then you can watch my video that is given in the description. Here I have set up Windows Optimum 11, that is the minimized version of Windows 11 that has basically all the bloatwares removed, like a Microsoft Defender and update services and all the other services. And if you would like to see, these are my spaces that are being used in this VM. You can see I have assigned 100 GB of storage. Out of that, only hardly 7 GB is being used. So this is the power of this software. Here you can see if I go to all apps, these are only 4 or 5 options that I see here, because majority of the things is removed by default. And if I do need to install something, then I just go here and install optional features from here. So let's focus on mining part. So for that, I will go to the official website. So this is the official website, and I will go in the download section. Here it redirects me to the GitHub, and what I'm going to do is scroll down and download the package for my operating system, that is Windows, and you need to download the bundled version. I will click here, and it is hardly around 15 MB. So I can see here it is around 14.1 MB, and once this gets downloaded, we can start here. So once the download is complete, I go to my downloads and basically right click and extract all. So I have already extracted, so I will go to my folder, and inside this folder I have various files, but I only need to double click on this file, and that will basically open my application. So here I will maximize it. And there are basically many modes, but you will go with the simple mode that is selected by default. So for that, first we need to go to this section, P2Pool. Here you just need to place your address. So first we just need to create a wallet. So for that we will search for Monero, and this is the official website. And when we go to the download section, here the most recommended is this, the GUI wallet. This is more suited for the beginners, and it has various modes, so you just need to enter the simple mode and generate a wallet that will be managed by you. So you can download 64-bit installer, but it will be flagged as a virus by your Windows Defender. So you just need to click on the three dots that will appear here and click on keep the file anyways, and that's it. After that, you just need to follow simply the steps that will be shown in your screen, and there will be a seeding phrase that will be given to you, and that in any case needs to be protected. You just need to write it on pen and paper and save it at a secret place that will be used in case you reset your device, or you lost the app, or you uninstalled it, or some mishap happens. In that case, that seeding phrase will be very useful. And if a hacker gets access to that seeding phrase, all your money will be lost. So after that, you need to copy your primary address. You will have an option for primary address. You have to copy that address starting from 4. Make sure your address starts from 4. If it doesn't start from 4, it means it is not your primary address. So you just need to copy that address and paste it here, and it will be of 95 characters length. And then you just need to click on save here, and this will get saved. And you don't need to start with a local node for now. You can click here, find P2Pool compatible nodes. It will start searching and automatically connect you to the one. So it says it has discovered one node with medium latency, so we will go with the default one. Once that is complete, I will come here and click on the start P2P pool button. That will basically start syncing, and it will consume around 300 to 400 MBs in the starting few minutes. Then it will come to a few KBs per minute speed, because mining doesn't consume a lot of internet. It basically synchronizes in the starting initial process, and then it uses a very less internet, but it needs a stable internet which has a ping of less than, you can say, 100 or something like that. That is generally considered stable. After starting this, you just need to wait here till there is till all this process ends and synchronization is written in the end. So here you can see it is written sidechain is synced, and now we are good to go. We now just need to go to this tab, and this is our main miner section. Here you can specify the number of threads that you want to allot, and this is basically an option that if you are installing this on your main system, then it will pause if you are actively using your system, and when you finish your work, it will resume. Suppose if I set it to 100, so it will resume after 100 seconds, and then it start mining. And these are the number of cores that you allot. Means if you have 8 cores in your system, then out of 8, how much would you like to give to your miner? So generally, like if you have 10, you can give 5 or something similar. There is no hard rule for that. After that, you just need to click on the start button, and this miner will now start. Here you can see we have started getting logs and new job, and now we just need to come to the status section, and here we can see it will after some time basically calculate all the hash rates. Hash rates are basically the rate at which your CPU is able to solve the algorithms. So since you have already saved your wallet address, it is showing here in the bottom in the address, and it will automatically send payout. But before that, we just need to know what are the payout limitations. We need to refer these. So there is a concept of sidechains in pools. So for P2Pool, we have basically 3 sidechains. So one is the default one. Here you can see these are the currently active miners, and this is the combined hash rate of this side chain. Means this is the total combined power of all the miners here. This is the nano pool that we can see here. We have a less number of miners and have similarly have a less number of hash rate. And if we come here, and this is the mini pool, here we have around 2000, more than 2000 of miners, and this is their total combined power. And these are other details that are given. And fees, you can see here, it takes 0% of commission, and minimum payout is basically this much amount. So you first need to mine this much of amount in order to get your first payout. So this is the minimum requirement, and you can basically read about the payout scheme here. And if I go to this, these are the different type of payout schemes that are here. So this is the scheme that will be used in nano and mini, and equally the amount is distributed among them in their side chain. Apart from that, these are some benchmark list which will get you an idea if you have a particular CPU and you want to get an idea like how much hash rate at which it will be able to operate. So you can basically get an idea of how much you will be able to earn. And after getting the hash rate, you can open a calculator here. So this is the Monero mining calculator. You can open it here, and you can enter the hash rate that you basically copied from this benchmark website from here. And power consumption will be around 50, and these are the rough estimates. So if I click on calculate mining profit, so this is the approximate profit that I will be able to make per day. That is very less. That's why I said in the starting, this is not profitable, but depends on your situation. If you have free hardware or free electricity. Apart from that, if you want to simply trade, you can go to Binance. So this is the most trusted platform worldwide. So you can sign up here, verify your KYC, and you can simply invest here. So these are the top trending, some of the popular and new listings. You can explore more on their website. Apart from that, you have this organization, seller.org. In this, you can pursue this course. This will help you develop your basics for cryptocurrency. This is basically for Bitcoin, but it is applicable to most of the cryptocurrencies, unless they are, assuming they are proof of work, not proof of stake. So these are the two terms that you can Google, proof of work and proof of stake. So Bitcoin and Monero work on proof of work. So similarly, you can explore this course, and I think I included pretty much everything that you need to know as a beginner. And if you want to start mining on your own laptop or personal PC, because Monero is made for it. Monero is by design was made like this so that large organizations can't set up big servers by making specialized hardware for mining Monero. But this is not possible because Monero is on a special algorithm called RandomX that makes it difficult to make specialized hardware for this algorithm. And yes, this was pretty much about Monero mining. And if I missed something, you can let me know in the comments. I can create video on that. So that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.